We are now going to adjust our coin flipper simulator application so that each time we click the green flag, rather than only having one coin flip, we will have multiple coin flips. Under Control, the control drawer here, select the repeat block. I'm just going to move it over to my code editing window now. Now what I'm going to do is drag all of the code that's inside of the, or just beneath the green flag is clicked block and place it inside of my repeat block. So what will happen now is when I click the green flag, I'm going to have 10 flips. So all of this code will run 10 times. So let's test it now by clicking the green flag. So you can see I had 10 flips in total. 6 of them were heads and 4 of them were tails. Let's change it to 20 and see what happens. So in my repeat, I just adjusted it to 20. So now I added 20 more flips, so now I'm at 30, 18 heads, and 12 tails. Now you'll notice that that happens pretty slowly because it's waiting for that coin sound to play. So you have a couple options here. One, you might just remove that block. See how I kind of deconstructed the code there? I had to break things apart in order to get that play sound block out of there. You can just play around with it in order to do that. So now I've removed it. So if I hit my spacebar to reset my code, you'll see the 20 flips will happen much faster. There we go. Now what you might want to do is place that play sound at the very top just so that you know you've hit the green flag. There we go. So I have another 20, so now I'm at a total of 40 flips. Or again, you might just choose to get rid of that coin flip or that sound altogether. So maybe you'll do 100 and run it. So you can see we just added 100 more flips. And now, whoa, we're bang on what we would expect from our theoretical probability. So our theoretical probability would be that we'd have our heads and tails be equal to one another, which are half of the total flips. And then experimental probability tends to get closer and closer to theoretical probability the more flips we have.